Chuklamathan Vishnu is a big group of obstruction Lamarkar, Ombu, so on. All the words are within me. Under the Kesava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, Vishwamadhusudana, Tirukrama Vamana, Sridhara, Srigesha, Pathanava, Damodara. We know Odambula than all the gods. Daily is there, matter. Gods are not outside you. See, all the mechanism for this handled is within. But this is powered
by the internet,
or motivated by an external, international channel. So if you don't have power inside, what do? You recharge it. So if power in you, divine power in you goes down, what do? Go to a temple and pray. And the power Brahman la Korama Kirtagoni and 3 times. 3 hours and Dyavandaram. Radhas and Dyavandaram, Madhyanigam, middle of the day, 12 noon Kudamanam, Science and Dyavandaram. Sandhyavanantha, Mama Mata, Samasta, Kudat Dwara, Enekras Inselam, Kochina and Adam, See Parameshwara Puratirtham. See Parameshwara, the Lord. When He is pleased, He wants you to be poor. God doesn't want Kolkata or anything from you. God wants to be poor. Mama Upata accumulated within me. Samasta, all kinds of durita, bad qualities, dwara, by means of Sri Parameshwara. For pleasing Sri Parameshwara, by clearing my mind, body and intellect of wrong thoughts, actions, I am performing the jhana.